Hello, vlog family. This week's format of vlog is going to be a little different because I actually never officially started the vlog, and I also never explained hardly anything. Like, little bits I explained, but really this vlog is just a whole bunch of little clips of things that happened this week. And the vast majority of those things that happened this week are Poodle puppies. So I'm gonna go ahead and just narrate you through this week, because if I didn't, nothing would make sense and it would be very confusing. On Wednesday is where I actually picked up my camera for the first time and started recording, and that was because Kristen brought one of her litters of puppies into work to play, and they were just absolutely adorable. Thursday, she brought her second litter of puppies to work. And also on Thursday was when I sent her the rest of the pictures from the ferret photo shoot that I did, which video went up live on Wednesday, and there will be a link in the corner here for you to go check it out, and there will also be a link in the description if you wanted to check it out, because it was pretty hilarious of a video. But I got all of her reactions on camera to see what she thought of the finished photos.
Let's go to the top here. Did you... How much of that's edited though?
So,
Just the background?
just the background. Yeah, because she... I know, that was so great!
Where's the dinosaur?
She makes a great dinosaur.
Oh, I love this so much. I literally... She's Alice in Wonderland. she's wearing a wig hat. She's like, to heck is that spoon behind me? I love this.
That's so cute.
I saw this and I was like, Quinn's taking a bath. And I was like, Quinn, get out of your bath. Your eyes are over. She's so pretty. I love that she's a Pokemon.
I know.
Look, she's got her hat on her nose. She literally has her hat on her nose.
And then, because I told her I still had a lot of that photo shoot things, I don't know. I don't really know what words I'm looking for. I had all the stuff needed for the setups that I used. That's what I'm trying to say. I told her I still had all of that, and she decided she wanted to bring the puppies over to do their 4-week and 5-week pictures and use some of that setup. So then Kristen came over with the litter of puppies she had at work, and we did a little mini photo shoot. Dan's got a puppy!
Yes, I know. Dan and Julie.
Yeah, that's Dan and Julie. One of the puppies' names is Julie.
Amazing, isn't it?
And Kristen's got a puppy, and then we got a box of puppies. Tessa! And there's a Tessa! I don't know where she is. Oh, there she is. There's a Tessa! Hey, Tessa!
Where's Tessa? Where's Tessa?
Hi. We have the box, and my table's a disaster again. And we have this one set up for the puppies, and it's gonna be so cute! You know Tessa's a mom because she is hardcore wanting that coffee. And now after Kristen left for the day, Dan and I decided to make some frozen pizza for dinner. I got it out of the freezer and got everything ready for it, turned on the oven, preheated it, stuck the pizza in, and was checking it, was doing some other stuff. And then all of a sudden I start hearing this zapping noise, and I look, and there's sparks happening in our oven. And I'm like, oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Like, I started freaking out. And I opened up the oven to look to see what was going on, and one of the coils at the bottom was sparking and also on fire. So I was freaking out and immediately shut the oven off and left the door open and like mildly freaked out. But then as soon as I shut off the heating coil, it all like stopped and started calming down and the flame disappeared. So we're not using our oven right now because it darn near exploded on us. And we have a service request. We submitted a service request. But then on Friday, Kristen came back over with her second litter of puppies to do the other set of photos for the photo shoot. We have more puppies here. Hello, puppies.
Upside down puppy. Right side up puppy. And she's like, what the heck?
Hello. Boop. That puppy's escaping this box.
Oh, yes. They're mighty puppies.
Go, puppy, go. Yeah.
It's a really gummy little noms you got there.
Oh my goodness, that was the biggest job I've seen today. That's a kind way of saying you're boring. Really actually have to chew everything.
So for right now, they're pretty well behaved and they just sit.
Mm-hmm. So yeah.
And you're just trying to eat everything, and your brother is just thoroughly ignoring you.
Oh, how could they? How could they? It's terrible.
Aww. This is cute.
Isn't it all by himself?
Oh my goodness. Come here. Little boy. Your head.
Sitting right now reminds me of that meme, the I don't always something something, but when I do.
Oh yeah.
Which catches us up to today, where we had this really random, out of nowhere thunderstorm. This kind of came out of nowhere. That was lightning. Yeah, no, this downpour came, I don't even know if you can hear me right now. I feel like I need to yell. This downpour came out of nowhere. Like, look at how flooded. Like, everything is flooded because the ground had no time to start absorbing any of this. So I'm getting wet. So I'm really glad I don't have to go anywhere because, yeah, I mean, like our deck is all wet and over there is just a river. We literally have a moat around our apartment building right now. But that was this week. I hope you guys have enjoyed it, and yeah, there was a lot of puppies. Next week is very exciting because Dan graduates next week. He is walking with his cap and gown. He's going to shake hands with the person and receive his diploma, and he will officially be done and have his master's degree, which is very exciting, and I will be recording that. But that also means that Dan's parents are coming into town. My mom is coming into town. One of our really good friends is coming into town. And we're just gonna have a great time hanging out. And it's gonna be so much fun. And I will record what I can with family. Probably not gonna record that much because I wanna just soak up the time with family. But also, there's a lot happening next week. Also, what's happening next week is it's both Dan and my's last days of work, which is really sad. So Dan's last day at Aldi will be on Wednesday, and then he is done officially until we move to Illinois, where he's transferring to the Aldi there. My official last day at my salon is going to be on Thursday, and that Thursday is also when all of our family is coming in. So I'm gonna have to say bye to everybody, and then I'm gonna have to pack up all of my tools, and it's gonna be really sad. But I will be recording everything that I can, all of the happy things. I think my boss said something about ordering pizza for us, so kind of looking forward to that. But again, I hope you guys have enjoyed. Make sure to tune in next week so you can see that week's vlog as well. Have a great week. I will see you guys next time. Bye!